What's up, everybody? Greasy Spoon here, and I know what you guys are thinking. James, when are we getting another unboxing video? Well, it's your lucky day, because I've got two action figures from my favorite movie franchises. Two of them, anyway. I love, because Terminator's got my heart, and I gotta get some Terminator figures, I know. But anyway, I got the NECA 30th Anniversary Super Shredder. I can't believe that movie's 30 years old. That blows my fucking mind. And of course, I have the 35th anniversary on sale. I scored this at Walmart for $10 off. But it's the Back to the Future Marty McFly Battle of the Bands audition. You can see it in there. And this is gonna be the second one I open up. First one, it's gonna be Super Shredder. Because I don't know, I've been itching. I got this a couple weeks ago. I was gonna open it on an episode, but Matt had to sit that out, and I do this just to annoy him. So yeah. But anyway, here we go. Super Shredder unboxing. Let's take a look while he's in the packaging. And you see the back of the box. All different poses you can do. This one kind of looks like he's taking a piss. Not gonna lie. But anyway, here we go. So, I decided, even though it's Christmas coming up, I should probably be getting some stuff for people. But I don't really have that many people to buy for. So, I've decided that, why not? Every paycheck, get an action figure. Go to Walmart, do some shopping. And there we go. Get the flaps open. Pull him out with his bubble. And you see his cape. Pretty spot on with the movie overall. I like it when they nail it like that. It's so badass. Man. Look at that. Look at the fucking detail. Like, oh, look at his feet. Look at the detail on his feet. I mean, come on. NECA knocks it out of the fucking park with these figures, man. Bravo. NECA. Bravo. Oh, and the Marty McFly's NECA too. I'm just gonna start buying nothing but NECA. It's pretty good. You got the little canister of ooze here from TGRI. Probably. Oh, nope, got it. Cool. I didn't think this through and get some scissors, but yeah. You see the little ooze canister, TGRI, right there, you see that? Yeah. It's pretty authentic. I just wish it was green. That's really the only complaint I have with this figure is that I wish it was green. That's all. Like, I wish the ooze was green. But I can let that slide. There we go. There's a staff. Top of it there. And there's the spear end. Pretty. I don't remember that from the movie, but doesn't mean it's not in there. Because it has been a while since I watched it and paid attention. Because, you know, us potheads, we don't like to focus a lot. So, let's see, how can I get this out? Yeah. Yeah. Push that through. Okay. Okay. That freed up his legs. I wasn't trying to. Trying to get his hands. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different hands. I don't know why it's only 5, but I think there'd be 6. No, that's not counting. There's 7 overall, counting the ones that are currently on the figure. But these are the ones you can change out. Here. Okay. And more. Matt's gonna yell at me, "You're fucking up the integrity of packaging." I know, but I'm never gonna put it back in the box. So, man, we got a bunch of different hands. We got 2 different grip hands. This is what they call a C grip for holding stuff. That would be for the canister, I would assume. And there's another, I would assume this is probably for the staff. These 2 would probably be for the staff. And he's got 2 open palms. Okay, now, main event time. Where did I put the tweezers? Okay, so we got the hand. Okay. I am doing my damnedest not to get anywhere near the figure with these tweezers. The last thing I want to do is fuck up the figure itself. And I know Matt's probably screaming at me. Screaming at his fucking phone or computer, whatever he's watching this on. He hates my guts right now.
I'll show you, Matthew. I'm being very careful. Go, got head loose. Okay, boom. Free. An arm free, got this free. One more arm. Okay, there we go. So the package, don't eat this stuff, kids. Alright, over there, over there.
Yeah, that's pretty badass. That's a big figure. A lot of different points of articulation. Okay. I can get behind this. No leg rotation. That's good. That's okay. And, well, you got full range of motion of the hips. Little light swivel of the torso. Little movement there. And the head moves. Yeah. Pretty badass figure, man. Check that out. He's got fists on this one. But yeah, man, look at the detail here. Like, even on the back, like, holy shit. My god, they nailed this. And on his boots even. Fuck yeah. Man, well done, NECA. Well done. That's awesome. Alright. Now, next figure. Now, I changed my shirt before I started recording this video. Because I wanted to give a little shout out to my buddy Mike and his family. Team Nolan representing. His favorite movie, Nolan is his little boy. This is his favorite movie, Back to the Future. And I showed Mike a picture of this figure and the back of the box and everything. And he goes, I just showed that to Nolan. He screamed Future and started singing Johnny Be Good. And so it's Nolan approved. I can do my unboxing. Thank you, Nolan. Love you, buddy. Here, come here. Yeah, Matt, just yell at me. I don't care. You will anyway. Here we go. Okay, that's off there. Top here. Flaps. And okay. Alright. This one seems less complicated. Thank fucking God. Alright, so you see Marty McFly, extra head. And here you got the photo of his brother and sister and they're disappearing. And you got the flyer for Save the Clock Tower, his headphones, a couple extra hands, and the guitar, because this is the Battle of the Bands figure after all. Pop that head out. I don't know why he has this stuff, but whatever. So many continuity errors with this figure. Like, that's the only thing that bothers me. I don't know. I'll have to get the other Marty McFlys, I guess, and mix them up. Okay, so be very careful with this stuff here. Because it's so tiny. Like, yeah. There's the picture. You can barely see him there. It's even like 1985 quality, but there's his head. Okay. Clock tower flyer. God damn, it even has the little note that Jennifer writes them on it. I love you, and you know, and their little phone number 555-4623. There you go. See the clock tower, all that jazz. How Doc gets the time and everything for the climax of the movie. Get his headphones and Walkman. A Walkman, kids, is like very, very early iPod, except you had to take the shit out and change it if you wanted to hear a different band. Otherwise, you had to sit by the radio for hours and wait for your favorite song to come on. Those were the days. Okay, got pick hand. Got a guitar pick. I don't know if you can see it, if my phone will focus up, but and that's the one thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to change out these hands because I'll point this out to you guys. So we got a C grip hand for the guitar playing, fretting hand as we like to say, us guitar players. And there's his axe. The guitar. Pretty close to the movie. Not far off, honestly. Not an exact replica, you know what I'm saying? Could be. I don't know. Okay, yeah, this has twist ties. I can do twist ties. Like, why didn't Super Shredder have twist ties? Why did I have to deal with all that T-tie stuff? Whatever the fuck those things are called. Like the thing that holds your shoes together. Okay, twist ties. Pull them through. And get it out. There we go. Okay, one for the feet. There we go. All right, and he's free. Matt, I'm sorry, but you know I let my figures breathe. I'm going to change out these scans real quick. There we go. Now, another continuity error with this figure. It really bothers me. I mean, it makes sense, but he's got the wrong outfit to be having the disappearing hand. That really bothers me. Because he doesn't have the suit that he was wearing at the dance, and they don't have that figure, so it's not like I can mix and match later. It really bums me out, but I can live with it. So take the invisible hand off. Oh, come on now. Goodness gracious. Holy shit. There we go. Jeez. Whew. Okay. Put this other hand on. Pop. Pop runs the weasel. My goodness. Alright. There we go. That's how you move these guys. Okay, I'm not like super familiar with NECA's design system yet. But I'm getting there. Okay. Alright. That's about as good as I can get them. But there you go, Nolan. About to play Johnny Be Good. Alright. Thanks, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe to the Punk Rock Geek Den. Follow us on Facebook. Follow me and Craig on Instagram. Surly Smurf and GD Greasy Spoon 113. Alright. Thank you for watching. And check out our other episodes. Check out our other segments. Check out whatever you want. We watch movies. Watch movies with us. It's fun. Later.